Yo, Prof here, and today we're going to do some Pokemon pulls on this box that I have wanted for quite some time. Ever since I stopped at the hobby shop, it caught my eye. It is the Pikachu GX and Eevee GX Special Collection. If you check out my previous video, you'll see the Poke haul that this was in, and I told you guys to comment down below, still do, about which one I should do next. Or like which one I should open up first, except I made an exception at the end that this one was going to get opened up first no matter what, because this is what I'd purposely went there for essentially that day. Haven't seen this one elsewhere, like, you know, when browsing the old Amazon or Walmart, etc. Whereas a lot of times, like if you're looking at the Pikachu and Eevee deck, they'll suggest this, or if you're looking for the Pikachu V box, well, this is another box of Pokemon cards that has Pikachu in it. Why wouldn't they suggest it? I just really hadn't seen it anywhere else. Now, I hadn't gone out of my way and looked for it, but I decided today when I went that this is what I was going to get. So this is what I got. And a whole heckin' ton of other stuff. So you definitely want to check that video out. Big ol' stack. Big old Poke haul there. And let's just take a quick snap here of this for the social medias. Yeah. There we go. And then we can get to pulling. Well, we gotta open it up first. So this includes a foil promo card featuring Pikachu GX, full art foil promo card featuring Eevee GX, one foil promo card featuring Pikachu, and one foil promo card featuring Eevee, and then one oversized foil card featuring Pikachu GX. 4 boosters, no idea which ones. I have no idea what this is. XY series, it says. Let's see, we'll find out which XY series. And then a code for online. You're not getting this code. I'm putting it off to the side. This one I want. I don't know what I get from it, but I want it. So, I think I'm allowed to keep some of my own codes, right? Right? You better say it's okay, because it's going to be either way. Yeah, I've been eyeing this one for a long time. Let's go with the Cerakote White Tuck XL. I don't know if I ever did the Tuck Junior. I'll have to try it out sometime. Alright, we know this is good because I bought it brand spanking new at the hobby shop. Ooh, we got some Unified Minds, some Cosmic something, Cosmic Eclipse, which I do like, and Steam Siege. No code card here, so let's aim that down for you. Now let's pull. Hopefully these guys aren't all bendy. It does look like it's new enough that they put a 4-piece, a 4-banger. We got a 4. There you go. Inline 4 right there. Yes. That's an engine reference. Because it kind of looks like the exhaust ports on an inline 4-cylinder engine. They are still bendy. Because I only had the piece in the back, they still put the clips on it. Boo. Alright. Pikachu first. This looks very similar to the Pikachu V-Box. Excuse me, and the Pikachu V-Tin Pikachu. But it's Pikachu GX. You got a sleeve for him. Up next is that crazy looking Eevee. There's got to be something behind this Eevee GX as to why it is This is nuts. This is why they call it full art though too. Do you see it? Like even the wood behind Eevee is textured. What is the reasoning for that design of Eevee though? Should let me know. Super dope though. That's probably like the most textured I've seen a card. Or one of the most textured I've seen. Here is Pikachu. Standard Pikachu promo hollow. Looking really good. And here we have Eevee with an action shot. Same dot sort of background, but whoosh, action shot there. Pretty dope. I'm an Eevee and a Pikachu fan. Pikachu first, always. But Eevee Jolteon's dope too, which is why if you watch that the previous video, the Pokemon haul, where you can see what I all got in, I was hyped about the new Battle Styles 3 packs, because those have a, one's got a, the one I picked up first had a Jolteon, and the other one had an Eevee. The Jolteon looks dope. I haven't unboxed it yet, so hit subscribe, notify, and you'll be seeing those soon, TM. Here's the really big Pikachu GX though. And then in here, before we go down to the little tripod, we have a Unified Minds. We have a Steam Siege. And I really like Unified Minds. Cosmic Eclipse is pretty good as well. And we have two Cosmic Eclipse. Cosmic Eclipse is the tag team ones. Got two of those. Not that many packs. I got a bit of random cardboard in there too. Yeah, this one's really for these guys here. And I know they're probably not all that rare because you can just buy a box and get them, but I still want to know what's behind that Q race. It's really interesting textured. You almost got like a helical on Eevee itself, but then I've never seen a card with that sort of texture, like giving it to like the leaves and the trees and stuff behind it. Crazy. And out goes the plastic. And I knocked down other plastic. Alright. Well, let's get the smaller GorillaPod out. Still looking for a clamp to mount this thing on. But, alright, let's do one of these Cosmic Eclipse first, since we've got two. I'm guessing that's what this shipped with, or like what it was with, because that's two different Pokemon there. There might have been an Eevee plus Pikachu tag team. Oh, we got another Pikachu. I can see it right on the front here. I don't know which way. Yeah, these are backwards. Green back. As I said, normally, and you can do it for any other video, so far at least pretty much, hit me up over on Twitter at the Prophecist. I'll give you a code card. This box though, I'm definitely adding to my own account. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still 4 for Sun and Moon. We got a Fighting Energy. And here we go, red and blue tag team. Larvesta. Anorith. There's the Pikachu I was talking about. That would look pretty dope as a hollow. Teddy Rusa. Nose Pass. Litleo. Flaby. Or Flappy. And a reverse hollow Dragolig. Evolve form of Scrub. Definitely looks like it is evolved form of Scrub. Reverse hollow there. Oh, that's a dope Weezing. A rare non-hollow Weezing. There's another one I don't have out right now. It's been a while. Oh, no, we definitely have some Cosmic Eclipse. Right there. Minus a bunch of Shining Fates. And some Battle Styles. Most of this is all kind of, see by the height thing, a lot of just random packs. I've been opening a lot of Amazon warehouse stuff, and that's all just completely random for age and like what kind of stuff's in it. You know, it's just returns based on what people are buying. And obviously I don't have any of the older stuff, so if I see that pop up, I'm gonna add that to my thing. Oh, we got a white back. Got a white back. That should mean good things for Cosmic Eclipse, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Oh, I saw something back there. We might be cheating a little bit there. Okay, so we got Pyroar, Hakamo'o. It's like myself a dragon type. Rotom, that's a much cooler Rotom than the one I'm used to seeing in what is it, Shining Fates. Spherical Seal. Looking so happy. He probably just rolls around there. Natu. Palpitoad. Jangmo-o. Deerling. We got a reverse hollow Trapinch. There you go. And there we go. Silvally. Yep, evolved form of type null. GX. Silvally GX. Full art. 227 out of 236. So not a secret rare, but still a dope pull. Silvally. There we go. Pop that right down. We got Trapinch. Almost forgot our bro Trapinch, guys. And no, I'm no longer worried, because if you go back and check the Pokehole before this, I'm no longer worried about using up yellows. I got 3 packs at the hobby shop where I got this box here. So, be good for a while. I do have some magenta that I want to use up. Those will probably be, I should have a Battle Styles booster box coming in. I believe it's on its way shipping here. It's from Amazon UK though, so it could be a little bit. Oh, there we go. We'll be using that magenta for the Battle Styles booster box. Ooh, that one's got a strong smell there. Unified Minds is one of my... They did this one right? Okay, greenback though. Blop, wow. I'm pretty sure at least. Ooh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Electric grass, okay. Tornadoes. I don't think I have this guy. I have a Tornadoes. I don't think I have this Tornadoes though. Swadloon. Wynut. Honedge. Sneasel. Magnemite. They have his doodles, his magnets the right way. Slogcloth. It's supposed to be a sloth, I assume. Axew. Axew's always kind of cool. Dragon type. And then we have a reverse hollow electric, because it's an electric eel. Electric. And Lipard is our rare non-hollow. Do we have any of these guys out? That's the real question. The answer to that one, I'm pretty sure, is going to be no. Because Unified Minds is not all that common. Squares, I think, had some banger pulls on Unified Minds if you check a couple of videos back. Alright, and our last booster of this was Special Collection. I believe Special Collection is one up from Premium Collection, which is one up from Box. So, you know, this is realistically, you could buy this one to get the Eevee and the Pikachus, which is what I did. We did have a decent pull in it, though, I'd say. Alright. Another greenback. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. No, a Nidoking. 2, 3. What? That's gonna be our rare then, right? Alright, so I did that one wrong. Steam Siege is 3. So we got a Nidoking rare non-holo, a Gardevoir Spirit Link, Klefki, Fairy Turp, Armor Fossil Sheldon, Manatine, Clink, Mankey, Foongus, Nidoran Mail, and okay, that's still pretty dope, even though it's a reverse holo. They did a very good job with the fire type reverse holo here on Steam Siege, if you ask me. Alright. Move Nidoking to the back there. I do have some of these, I believe. Oh, they're out here. Not many. I have some. So let's grab the pulls that we got this time here and take a quick look at what we... Okay, let's try it with the top light off. See if we can get a better look here. There we go. Pikachu GX. Eevee GX with some mad texture. I don't know if you can see that. It's really hard to show. We have a Pikachu promo holo. Eevee promo holo. We have Dragalge. Galge? Dragalge? I don't know. Reverse holo. Kind of dope art, I'll admit there. Trapinch. And then here's our big pull. And that is the Silvally GX. Full art holo. We have a Electric, and a reverse holo Ponyta. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this special collection. That Eevee is crazy. There's gotta be a story behind that art, like not just the texture, but like the actual art style and that sort of stuff. Cause I think that's a bark, like bark. That's what those things coming out are. I may be wrong. It's so really GX there, so spicy pull too, if you ask me. Well, please subscribe. Would really appreciate it. Hit that notify button, as if you haven't, go and check the previous Poke Haul, and you'll see all the stuff that's coming up. All of that is coming up right away, right after this one. You don't have to guess anymore. That's what's coming. Sometimes I pull some stuff out of storage to pull, but because that all was bought like really recently or is more recent stuff, that's all coming. So if there's something specific you want to see from that Poke Haul, either go comment there or let me know down below here which one you want to see next. And hopefully we'll see you in the next video. As always, you can follow me as @theProphecist on Twitter or Instagram. And if you want updates on the channel, because sometimes YouTube, since we're so small, YouTube does not do that well at notifying you about my new videos or like them showing up in your feed, you can follow @TechExchange on your Twitters and your Instagrams. So hopefully we'll see you in the next one, and may the Pokemon polls be with you.